Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve a very interesting problem, that is x to the power 2024 is equal to 2024. Let us consider x to the power 2024 is equal to y. Now on the both the side of this equation we can raise the power 1 divided by 2024 and we can write the equation as y whole to the power 1 by 2024 is equal to x whole to the power 2024 whole to the power 1 by 2024. As we know a formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Here we have to apply this formula. So this 2024 and this 2024 will cancel out. Then we can write this as y whole to the power 1 by 2024 is equal to x. Let us consider this as equation number 1. Now from this question we can replace the value of x as y whole to the power 1 by 2024, and as we have already considered x to the power 2024 is equal to y, then we can write this as y whole to the power 1 by 2024 whole to the power x to the power 2024 is y. Then we can write it is whole to the power y is equal to 2024. As we know, the formula a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. If we consider this as m and this as n, then we can write the equation as y to the power m to the power n is equal to y to the power m into n is equal to y to the power n whole to the power m is equal to 2024. As you can see here, the power is 1 by 2024, then putting the power of 2024 on both the sides of the equation, we can write this as y whole to the power y whole to the power 1 by 2024 whole to the power 2024 is equal to 2024 whole to the power 2024. Now this 2024 and this 2024 will cancel out, and we can simplify this equation as y whole to the power y is equal to 2024 whole to the power 2024. As we know a formula, if a to the power a is equal to b to the power b, then we can say a is equal to b. Here we can write this as y is equal to 2024. As we know from the above equation, x is equal to y to the power 1 by 2024. Then we can write the answer as x is equal to y to the power 1 by 2024 is equal to 2024 whole to the power 1 by 2024. Hence, this is the answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.